Everyone's buzzing about Insta360's next big release, and even though they haven't officially confirmed the name, let's be honest, it's almost definitely the X5. The teaser video didn't do much to hide it either, a clear silhouette of a 360 camera on the thumbnail and the title, All Day, All Night, All Angles. Yeah, Insta360, we get the message. The all angles part is an obvious nod to it being another 360 degrees camera, but what really stands out is all day, all night. Now, we're probably not talking about a full 24-hour battery life, unless Insta360 has secretly unlocked alien tech, but it almost certainly hints at improved battery performance. And that's a big deal. 360 cams typically chew through battery faster than regular action cams because they're processing and stitching way more data. So any improvement there would be a welcome upgrade. The all-night part is even more interesting. The teaser showed some impressive low-light footage, and there are rumors floating around about a possible 1-inch sensor. While that seems a bit ambitious, a more realistic upgrade would be moving to 1/1.3-inch sensors. That would still be a noticeable improvement over the X4, offering better light capture, reduced noise, and clearer shots in darker settings. Insta360 already has a strong track record with low-light performance. Just look at the Ace Pro and Ace Pro 2. So bringing that capability to their top-tier 360 camera would make perfect sense. Then comes the juicy bit. Right at the end of the teaser, there's a quick shot of a team member casually removing and replacing a lens using a small suction tool. That's a pretty bold hint at swappable lenses, which would be a first for the Insta360 X series. It's not officially confirmed, but the speculation is strong. If true, that would give users the ability to replace lenses themselves, adding serious flexibility and durability to the camera. Combine that with better sensors and longer battery life, and this could be the upgrade creators have been waiting for, something tougher, more versatile, and ready for anything. And if you're near New York City, here's a pro tip. Insta360 is hosting a pop-up event at Vanderbilt Hall in Grand Central on April 22nd. Could be the first chance to see this camera in the flesh before anyone else. So yeah, between the possible sensor upgrade, battery improvements, better low-light capabilities, and maybe even swappable lenses, the X5, or whatever they end up calling it, is shaping up to be a seriously exciting release. I'm definitely hyped. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.